That's what can make it so dangerous. With all the attention about how dangerous vaping is lately, the number of people getting sick or dying isn't going down. Today we learned someone in Georgia has now died from vaping, a first for our state, but doctors are worried it won't be a last. The Georgia Department of Public Health has identified at least 8 other cases of people going to the hospital in Georgia because of lung illnesses from vaping. That has happened to 500 people that they know of across the country. And this comes the same day e-cigarette manufacturer Juul announced its CEO is stepping down. The company will suspend all advertising. On Capitol Hill, federal health investigators wrapped up 2 days of hearings on e-cigarettes, saying more has to be done to prevent America's youth from vaping. They call it an epidemic.